Dave Avis. I'm the director of Drains Ahead. We're a family-run company over in Croydon. Today we're over at Riddlesdown School in Purley, doing a few inspections and investigations with this new bit of equipment sitting next to me. It's just easy to use, it's small, it's light, it's portable, it's very flexible. They have a case around them, and you can keep them in a bag. They've got good battery life, they connect really fast to the reel. It gets it done there and then, so while you're on site, and you can connect them to the internet and you can upload and you can download. Yeah, it's all about making our life easier and spending a bit of money to do that. Yeah, it's a no-brainer for us. They've got the price right in the current market. About 15 years, so I've been with them sort of in the early days with some of their sort of older, bigger cameras, and then they've just got sort of better and better each generation. And when you're dealing with a blockage or something that's going on, you just want to quickly load it up and put the camera down there. It's a great option, but mean as good as well. We can send reports very quickly. I think the new systems are better the way that they stand up. They're easier to put in the van. They're just an easier bit of equipment. You don't have to fold things out. They're just there, they're set, they're ready. And I'll just say, if you want to make your life easier, that's the way to go.